Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss that when we submit our property to Google Search Console, there are two options. Here by property, we mean a website. One option is the domain where you submit the entire domain. This means that all subdomain or subdirectories under it will be added to Google Search Console in one go. The other option is URL prefix where you are submitting your properties as URL. This means that only the inside for the specific URL you submitted and anything after the slash in the URL will be shown in Google Search Console. Alright, let's understand both features and see what the difference is between the two. Here I have come to Google Search Console. As you can see, there is no property added. So the interface is showing something like this. Here you simply need to click on Start Now. In this account, I haven't added any property or created any account, which is why the interface look like this. If there were a property added, you would see the inside of that property here. If you wanted to add a property, you would click on the add property option in this section and proceed with addition. Let's see in this video how to verify a property using HTML tag. For this, first copy the URL and paste it here. After that, click on continue. After clicking on continue, scroll down. After the verification check, click on the HTML tag and copy the tag. Click on the copy option. Now paste it on your website. Here I am implementing it on a WordPress website. Go to your website dashboard. Click on appearance and then click on theme editor. Now go to the header.php option. Paste the code in the head section and click on update file at the bottom. A file upload option is showing here. Click on it. Once you click, the file is saved. Now go to Google Search Console and verify it. After clicking on verify button, this property will be verified. Now click on the go to property option. You can see that this property is now in Google Search Console. In a few hours, its data will be updated and you can check its insights. Scroll down and click on setting. You can see that the property is now showing as verified. In the next video, we will discussing the remaining features. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and hit the bell icon to receive notification for my future uploads. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them in the comment below.